honest, how many study timetables have you made and ignored? Yeah, exactly. Today, I'm showing you how to create one that you'll actually follow. Because the problem isn't you, it's the timetable. So let's fix it simply and realistically. Step 1. Build around your real life. Stop planning your perfect day. Plan your real day. Ask yourself, when am I actually free? When do I focus best? When do I get tired? Your timetable should match your lifestyle, not fight it. Step 2. Start small. You don't need 6 to 8 hours of studying every day. Start with 2 to 3 hours. Break it into simple blocks like afternoon study, evening study. Keep it realistic so you can stay consistent. Step 3. Use the 45/15 method study for 45 minutes, then take a 15-minute break. During those 45 minutes, no distractions. Focus like your exams are tomorrow. Step 4. Balance your subjects. Don't put all your hardest subjects together. Mix it up. Hard subject, easy subject, revision. This keeps your brain from getting overwhelmed. Step 5. Add flexibility. Leave space in your timetable. Things won't always go as planned, and that's okay. A flexible timetable is one you'll actually stick to. Step 6. Make it visible. Write your timetable somewhere you'll see every day. Your phone, your wall, your notebook, anywhere. If you don't see it, you won't follow it. Step 7. Review and adjust. After a few days, check. What worked? What didn't? Then fix it. Your timetable should grow with you. Remember, a simple timetable you follow is better than a perfect one you ignore. If this helped, like, subscribe, and join the Glow Up journey. See you in the next video.